Hello students, myself Vinitha Kharwar from Holy Child Academy. Today I am going to teach you social study of class 5th. In this chapter we will study about globe, parallels, meridians and locating places. One by one we will learn about each topic. Let's see about globe first. A globe is a model of the earth. Its shape is almost like that of the earth. In fact, globe is man-made model of the earth which shows the countries, oceans and rivers. A globe is an accurate model of the earth. There is a grid on the globe. Do you know students what is grid? Grid, a pattern of straight lines that cross each other to form squares. You can see two types of line on the globe. Two types of line on the globe. The line which run parallel to the equator in the east-west direction are called parallel or latitudes. The other lines run from North Pole to South Pole in the north-south direction. These lines are called meridian or longitudes. Now we will discuss about latitudes or parallels. Parallels are also called the line of latitude. They run from east to west and form circles. All the lines of latitude run to the equator. Equator is an imaginary line between two poles which divide the earth into two equal halves. Equator is the longest parallel. The part of the earth which lies north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the part which lies to the south of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. Parallels are drawn at the interval of 1 degree, that is 100, that is equal to 111 kilometer. There are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. In total, there are 181 parallels including the equator. The parallels become shorter as we move away from the equator towards the poles. All the parallels are complete circle except the North Pole and South Pole, which are points. With the help of this picture, we will learn about some important parallels. First, Tropic of Cancer. It is an important parallel of latitude in the northern hemisphere. It lies at a distance of 23 and half degree north from the equator. And next important parallel is Tropic of Capricorn. It lies in the southern hemisphere. It lies at the 23 and half degree south from the equator. The next parallel is Arctic Circle. It lies at 66 and half degree north from the equator. And next, the Antarctic Circle. It lies at 66 and half degree south from the equator. Students, now we will see how to numbering the parallels. The numbering of parallels start with equator. start with equator. It is marked as 0 degree latitude. The North Pole is written as 90 degree north. And the South Pole is written as 90 degree south. The other parallels are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree. Students, now we will discuss about longitudes or meridians. Meridians are also called lines of longitude. Meridians are also imaginary lines which run from north to south. The meridians or longitudes are not parallel, they are of same length. Meridian help to measure distances in the east-west direction. Meridian cut the parallels at right angle. The maximum distance between any two meridians at the equator. There are 360 meridians in all. Among them, 180 meridians on the east and 180 meridian on the west of the prime meridian. Now I am going to tell you what is prime meridian. The prime meridian is the line that divides the earth into two equal parts, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. The prime meridian is the starting point for numbering the meridians. Greenwich, a place near London, we fix at the starting point for numbering meridians. It is also called the Greenwich meridian. It is designated as 0 degree longitude. Now we come at next topic, locating places. Latitude or parallels and longitude or meridians make a grid of lines on the globe. We locate places on the globe with the help of this grid. If we know the value of parallels and meridians of a place, we can easily locate that place on the globe. Thank you.